Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have Premiere Pro open and a sequence with subtitles ready. Once done, switch to the Captions or Essential Graphics workspace so you can edit visually. First, select the caption item in the timeline and open the Captions panel to reveal text segments. Make sure captions are not locked and that you're using a supported caption format. This lets you change style attributes. Now select the first subtitle block to begin changing color and other appearance settings immediately. With a subtitle block selected, open the caption settings or Essential Graphics text controls. Here you'll find the color picker for text. Click the color swatch to choose a new color and use opacity or stroke settings to maintain legibility against video. If you need uniform color across all subtitles, select multiple caption blocks or use Select All and paste attributes or create a style preset. Make sure contrast is sufficient. Test on bright and dark frames to ensure readability. After applying color, scrub the timeline and render a short segment to verify how subtitles display in motion. Once satisfied, choose export settings that match your delivery, burned in for fixed color, or separate caption file if color must remain editable. If colors don't apply, make sure captions aren't closed captions that ignore styling, or convert them to Essential Graphics text which supports full styling. As a troubleshooting tip, reset the workspace and reapply the color if changes fail to render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.